I said, ooh. Yo, what's up, y'all? What's going on? I know you know Vic.
What's good, guys? Welcome back. Digital Slang, back with another video today. A little different video. Tonight, I'm just going to give you a little insight. I'm going to reintroduce my man Vic to the channel. He's been around since the beginning, and he is the one that makes all of the beats for the intros and the outros. So they're all original beats, straight from Vic's mind, and he's amazing at it. So check out the beats, my man Vic. I'm reintroducing him to the channel, and we just want to give you guys a little insight about the channel, about Digital Slang, how things work as far as the music goes. And we'll do some more videos. We'll do, a day in the life of Digital Slang as we move forward, and good things to come, guys. You guys have been fantastic. We appreciate all the love and support. Christmas Day, I will be announcing another giveaway, so stay tuned for that. But for now, check out the new beats for the channel, for the intros and the outros. So once again, here's Vic with Digital Slang.
So what's up, y'all? Long time no see. I'm Vic, representing for Digital Slang. Let's get into this new beat that I brought in today. So first, I want to start off with the drums. This is kind of what I wanted to do with the drums. It's gonna sound something like this. So I also added an extra snare on top of that has a clap to it in the back. It's coming off, sounding off at the same time as the regular snare. Next, I wanted to add some hi-hats, so I decided to add this. So once I had that up, then it was time to add the melody. So what I did for the melody is I added this sound right here. On top of that, I wanted that to sound a little bit more full, so I added some violin sounds to the background. And of course, I had to add the bass on top of that. And even on top of that, I added one more thing. That was the organ sound. I feel like it gives it a little bit more sound. So that sounds like this. Now for the second part of the song, what I wanted to do was switch up the whole beat, and this is what the second part of the song sounds like. So like I said, the drums switched up a little bit. This is what the drum sounded on the second part. I added an extra hi-hat in there. I still kept the same hi-hats here, but I added an extra hi-hat right there, and I also added that tom sound. So I switched up the whole beat right there. So on top of that, I wanted to add a different kind of melody, so I did something like this. Also, the bass was a little bit different here, higher notes. And I also kept the violins in there. I didn't leave the organ in this part, but I didn't think it needed it. That's basically the whole beat, and then I edited some. I added a chorus and some part for the verses and stuff like that. You can do anything on here, though. Yeah, what's up, y'all? What's going on? I know you know Vic, Word to Mom Duke, y'all know the flow sick. Let the record show we came through with the reckless. There's too many people here, hit the back entrance low key. Y'all know me and the big homie. Rap on an old beat, y'all dip out like cold feet. Smell like old meat, cook you with our own heat. Feed you that knowledge, so please take a seat. We hot, we ain't never gonna stop, no question. Fall back, we from the future, Leroy Jetson. Bet son, straining like your chest gon' gasp. You be like, not so fast, but I'm on full blast. I soon pass like meat, fly like E.T. Peep the savages we be. Beat with the Jeep like Missy. He ain't that dumb in the head now, is he? Alright y'all, so that was the beat. What y'all think? Let me know. Also, please subscribe to the channel. We have like over 3,000 subscribers right now, so things are looking good for us right now. And we're just on, just coming up. And my man Jeff killing it with the review videos. He got the review game locked down right now, making us look good, you know what I'm saying? So, if y'all want to see more of me and Jeff, subscribe to the channel. Peace.